We know that images are two-dimensional. Is it possible then to take one or more images of an object using a fixed camera and recover its three-dimensional shape? Perhaps surprisingly, the answer is yes. In Course 3 of First Principles of Computer Vision, we show how visual cues such as shading and defocus can be used to estimate the three-dimensional geometry of an object from images. In addition, we show how carefully designed illumination patterns can be projected onto an object to measure its geometry. The methods described in this course have direct applications in robotics, manufacturing, inspection, driverless cars, computer graphics, and gaming.